Wow, guys. Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we going to do today? Well, today I have another motorcycle gadget for you. It's a motorcycle display, and these days you see a lot of them. Some are better than the other. Some are a lot of plastic, very cheap. But I noticed that they are already in a short period of time becoming better and better. More aluminium casing, different mounting pieces. So guys, we're gonna unpack this 6-inch motorcycle display and see what's in the box and if it's quality or if it's rubbish. Come on over and we start. Now guys, let's start. Here you've got the Carabc of Carabc. Don't know how to pronounce it. And we're gonna take it out of the box. Okay. Up. The first thing we have is the manual, and the manual is in English, yes, and this one is the DM601C installation guide. Well, that looks rather nice. Okay, main menu. It's waterproof, rating IP68. Okay, it got 2 gigabit of DDR3 RAM, parking monitor is supported, Wi-Fi app interconnection, GPS trajectory, built-in storage 64 gigabyte. And the TPMS is optional. Okay. Then guys, here, now let's take this out first, this out of the way. We've got 2 cameras, bullet cameras. Let's take them out, 1, 2, and these are for later. This is the screen, and yes, there it comes. This also out of the way. This is the screen. Hey, and guys, this screen you can take off. Here we've got the USB-C port. Okay. Oh, looks nice. There is a screen protector. I think it sounds plastic. Yeah. Yep. It is plastic. Is that a problem? Then we have 2 boxes. Oops. Let's start with this one. Oops, I ruined it already. Okay. Back. Okay. With a lot of stuff. Nicely packed. I have to say that. let's see what this is. I think it's best to take everything out. Take the scissors. Oh, this one. Okay. Oh, this feels heavier. Oh, oh nice. It's metal. I don't think it's aluminium. Okay. Oh, these are, yes. Guys, this is the bracket for the bullet camera with a sticky patch and screws and a bolt for the clamp. So, good. Over here we have, wow, 2 keys. So there is a way to lock it. Then we have, oh, I always love to unpack those kinds of gadgets. Let's see if it's the same. Yes. So you can put it on a bar. Nice. This on top, on this side, of course. Nice. Then tools. Guys, we have tools. I love tools. Okay, 3 Allen keys. Then over here we have a few screws too. A long and a shorter bolt, and 2 very tiny bolts in a beautiful. Then, holy shit, more screws. Let's see, 4 long ones with 4 nuts and 4 short ones, all the same length. Yep, those are. This is another bracket for a camera. Okay, same. With sticky patch. And oh, nice. Then this one. Okay. Hey guys, this is also iron, metal. Over here you have the adjusting rings. So I love these kind of clamps. Just have to wiggle it underneath, and there is just 1 bolt to tight it. And then you can mount this one on top. Then we have another box. The last box. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Yes. Oh, this is so easy, guys. Red is the positive of your battery. Black is the negative of your battery, and the yellow is a voltage that comes alive, 12 volts, when you put the bike on ignition, with a nice blue connector. It's marked power cable, if you didn't know that. And here we've got, I think, the bracket to lock it. Yes. Whoa, guys, this is the bracket, and it's detachable. You can take it off your bike. That's what a lot of folks, a lot of riders like. You have to push it in, click, and then it's, whoa, tight is tight. And then you can lock it with your special key. Turn it 50 times around. It's, well, yes. Oh, now it's not locked. And I'm not sure why this is so far out. So then turn it 180 degrees. Okay. Okay. One way or another. Key. Then no. Well, normally it should work. I don't get it to work, guys, but it really looks nice. Really looks nice. This you're gonna attach over there, and then you can mount it with this, or you can, no idea what this is, how this should work. Ah, yes, you can also take this one like this, and you can mount it on a bar. So, like this. See? But for now, I'm gonna use this one. It looks nice. Okay. That side. Then let's see which bolts there are. Yes. I think these are the ones. A little bit long, but yes, we take the middle Allen key, middle size, okay, it falls nicely in place. I don't like the extra length, not my cup of tea. Could be a few mil less long. Yeah, guys, for now not too tight. Then this one. And this nut over here. Okay. Yes, then this baby over here. Nice, there he goes. Then okay. Tight is tight, guys, not too tight. It's all plastic, which is not fantastic. Okay. Then we have two of these. Okay. Yes, and then we have this one. And this is the shortest one with the biggest Allen key. Nice. See, you can place it where you want it. Hop, then. And this one is for over here. And that yes. More. Guys, wait a minute. Something wrong with the thread. Maybe I'm gonna screw it in first on this side. See? That's better for now. Strange. Okay. Not all the way in. Okay. Give it another try. Hey. Hey. There is something wrong with this thread. No. Nah. I think there was maybe okay. Let's give it another try. Yes. Nice. Very nice. So, and then we have that ball, and what is really good about it is that these are, see, long enough. Okay. Oops. Now let's see, guys. Guys. Okay. This is not well thought about. Can I put it on the other side? More? No. Then, yeah, see? But guys, I think that often it is mounted a bit like this, or your bar, and then, see? Like this, or like that. Let's see. I have a BMW over here. Let's have a look at that. Guys, over here I have the S1000R with the blown up engine. So let's give it a try over here. Maybe take that one off for now. Okay. Careful for the bar, yes. I think it's not that tight. Okay. This one out of the way. Now let's see. Over there, I think we need the most thin one. Something like this. I think I know a perfect spot. So, and now over here. Guys, something like this. Okay. Now, yes. Okay. Think, yes, not too low, not too high. Okay. Gonna tight it. Okay. Then we take wow, guys, whoa, I like the size. Whoa, size is really great. Now have a look. Sit on your bike. This. have a look. It looks really good. Guys, this is from the riders. Wait a minute, something more like this. Yeah, this. This fits great. Watch. And it is a nice big screen. Maybe it needs to be bent a bit more. Oh yeah, now you can see it. This side needs to be a bit more. See, but it's more aimed to the rider. Great. And it's very easy to take it off. Hop. And take it away. Take it away. Guys, I like it. Yep. Well done. Well done. This I don't like. It's in the open air. I don't like it. Nope. They need to make it something over it. Something you quickly can push onto that so the contacts are not in the open air. It rains and it falls in between those contacts. I don't like that, guys. But yeah, it is what it is. So guys, that was my unboxing video of the 6-inch smart screen, universal motorcycle screen, and it is detachable with anti-theft function. Plug and play. Well, we're gonna decide about that, huh? Plug and play. For the manual, in my next video we're gonna power it up and see all the menus and how it works. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, subscribe to my channel. Give me your hype points. And thumbs up. Also good for the YouTube algorithm. And for now, old mechanic.